If Windows is flagging the icuin58.dll as missing or corrupted, you're in the right place. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and let's resolve this together. Before we begin the manual steps for icuin58, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the icuin58, the Internationalization i18n component of the ICU library, v58. It provides unmanaged routines for complex sorting, collation, number formatting, and regional currency manifestations. It uses the ICU4C framework to manage data link manifests for globalized applications across differing OS locales. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Unlike Windows core files, icuin58.dll belongs to the specialized ICU environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to reindex its shared library paths. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered icuin58 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Manual intervention with icuin58.dll is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If registry clutter or icuin58 inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing icuin58 from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.